Hey beautiful people, how y'all doing today? Hope you guys are all doing wonderful. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Michelle, and if you're returning, welcome back, sister. I'm here today because winter is here. Okay, I'm in California, I'm in LA, and it's not usually super cold, but the weather this year has been something serious. And because of that, I have had to up my skincare routine as far as moisture goes. I'm not sure if a lot of people experience issues with their skin when it's cold. A lot of people experience a lot of things in the heat with like oiliness, but for a lot of people, cold weather can be very damaging to their skin. So it's important that you always have a barrier on your skin if you're in areas that are extremely cold and snowy and especially windy. Your skin can suffer a lot of damage with the elements. Also, if you're living in a place where it's cold outside, but inside you have the heater on all night, it can also draw out a lot of the moisture from your face. Whether that's in your home, in an office, in the car, just having the heater blowing that hot air on your face for an extended period of time can cause damage. So the best way that I'm maintaining my moisture in my skin is by using moisturizing masks. I like to mask at least 2 times a week. In the wintertime, it's usually 3 or 4 times a week. Yes, it does sound excessive, but that's just because I love skincare and I love relaxing and spa days and things like that. So for me, doing a mask is like a pampering time, but the benefits are very obvious. You do get benefits from masking and just from taking precious care of your skin. So today I have different styles of doing masks that I want to share with you. I'm sharing some that I use, but you by no means need to purchase anything I'm sharing. I'm just letting you know this is what I use for my skin, but I will also share other things that you can do as well. The first mask I'm sharing with you guys is my favorite mask this winter. It has been just a lifesaver. I love using the mask. As far as like my experience while I'm using the mask, I love the way it comes off of my face, and more importantly, I love the way my skin looks after, the way it feels, and the way it looks when I apply makeup on after using it. This mask is from Inlight Beauty, and it's their Superfood Mask. It came in one of my Beauty Hero boxes, and I have been in love with it ever since. The mask is a green color. It's so pretty to me. Inlight Beauty is a UK-based skincare brand. And the Superfood Mask is an organic face mask that's rich in vitamin E. It's said to detoxify the skin and repair the skin. It has a lot of antioxidants in it. It has spirulina, baobab, rose oil, carrot root. It also gently exfoliates without chemicals. You're supposed to leave it on for about 10 to 20 minutes and use it about once per week. It retails for 39 euros, which is 58 US dollars. So it is a pricey mask. It's expensive. It's definitely a luxury organic skincare product, and I love it. I really do. And it is one of my favorites. I use it sparingly because the ingredients are so potent. You don't need to overdo it. You don't need very much. Now, the only drawback for some people, not for myself, is the smell. It's a very herbaceous scent. And that can bother some people because it is a little bit strong, but I gravitate towards natural scented things. I like those scents. So for me, it's an absolute pleasure, but just know that it's not for everyone. When I use this mask, I look at it as taking my vegetables, taking my greens. It does feel very detoxifying, and there are these really tiny little granules. And I mean, they are honestly, like, I can't even see them. That's how small they are. But you can feel it when you're taking the mask off. You can feel it did a little bit of exfoliation, and that's always really nice. Now, one thing I will mention is that when you are doing any masks, it's important to exfoliate your face first. I typically like to use a physical exfoliant of some sort before doing a mask, because when I do that, it completely decongests my face and it just kind of like opens my face up to be able to take in the mask. That's very important to do. Don't skip that step. Now, something else that is essential in making sure that your skin is hydrated and moisturized in the wintertime is using a cleansing balm or cleansing oil to remove any makeup or impurities from your face. You can always just do that with like a washcloth or with just like a makeup remover, but a lot of times those wipes and those removers contain alcohols and things that can dry your skin out. And plus, a lot of the cleansing balms can be paired as like overnight masks or just like a 20 or 30 minute mask that can truly soften your face. And my favorite product right now for doing that exact thing is from Jane Strivner. Again, I received this in a Beauty Heroes box because I would have never ever stumbled upon this product, and I'm so thankful to Beauty Heroes for introducing me to some of these brands I've never heard of that are made in small batches. Most of them are organic, they smell amazing, and they work miracles on my skin. This one is the Nourishing Cleanser, and the packaging isn't really much. It's actually just about the performance of the products. It is a true cleansing balm. It is very thick. It has a beautiful light lemongrass scent, and it's used to remove your makeup, but it can also be coupled as a face mask. The first time I used this product, you guys, I was shook. I honestly could not believe something made my skin feel this soft. They say that this cleanser is made to balance the skin and promote collagen and elasticity for your skin. It's rich in vitamins A, B, D, and E. It's also rich in fatty acids, and it balances out your natural sebum. It also protects against accelerated aging, and it has organic beeswax in it. You rub it along your face, and you take the mitt that comes with it. You just run it under some warm water, and then you just slowly remove it off of your face. It is a true spa experience when you use this. The fact that it comes with a mitt is just phenomenal, and it is so soft. It's also just like the perfect size to just rub everything off your face and your neck, and my gosh, my face is just insanely soft and hydrated. It is an incredible product, and I'm using it super sparingly for that reason. I just don't want it to finish because it's expensive. It's $64, which is really pricey for a cleanser, but not so much for a mask. A lot of masks do tend to be around this price range when they're very high performing. So this is just another option. You don't need to use this one in particular, but this one is phenomenal. I also like the one from Jordan Samuel's Skin. He has a cleansing balm that can be used as a mask that smells really light and fruity, and I like that one too. These are just some examples of ways that you can use your products for two different things and make sure that your skin is extremely hydrated. So I don't always use it for makeup removal. Sometimes I do, and sometimes I just use it as a mask. Now this mask is from Glow Recipe, and it's their Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask, and this is an overnight sleeping mask. I received this mask at their launch party for this product. It was really cute. They had it like at a mattress store at nighttime when they closed it down. We were just like lying on the mattresses. It was a DJ. It was a lot of fun. In the past, I've tried their other sleeping mask, their watermelon one, which was okay. It wasn't, in my opinion, very memorable, and it didn't really make a difference for me and my skin, but this one is really good. It's a creamy, breathable sleeping mask, and it eliminates any dry flakes that could be on your skin. It's made for all skin types, dry, normal, and sensitive. It's anti-aging. It contains avocado, manuka honey, which is antibacterial. It also has the PHA, which is a chemical exfoliant that helps to buff away any dead skin. And it also has kaolin in it, which is a clay that detoxifies your pores. The bottle to me is super cute, and the little spatula that comes with it is like magnetized to this so you don't lose it, which is really good thinking on the brand's part. This mask, or any sleeping mask, is good for when you have like the heater on at night, or if your skin is just so dry that it needs repair by the morning and you don't want to wear a whole bunch of like heavy moisturizers. I know a lot of people are very scared of looking greasy and oily, but I will tell you, when your skin looks greasy or oily, a lot of times it looks a lot more youthful. Not when it's like actual oil, but when it just has that like natural radiance and luster. It's a good thing. It's not necessarily the best thing for your skin to always look dry. And I used to be one of those people because I do have naturally oily skin, but since I've been caring for my skin and I haven't been afraid of things that are extremely moisturizing, I feel that my skin has really glowed up on me, and masks like these help a lot. So I really enjoy this mask. Now, as you know, it's a sleeping mask. It's not going to like stick to your face like a clay would. It is going to still feel like you have on a very thick lotion. You can use it often. It's not something that you can only use like once a week. The chemical in it is not harsh in any way. When you wake up the next morning, your skin is going to look revived. and feels so soft. Just like any other sleeping mask, it can and will probably get all over your pillow. So I would suggest putting it on your skin as early as you can in the evening before you go to sleep, so that way you know that a lot of it has soaked into your skin before you have to sleep overnight. I know Kiehl's also has an overnight mask. Can't remember if I like that one or not, but I know that they have one, and some other brands may have them too, but not all masks can be used overnight. Not all masks are formulated to be able to stay on your skin that long, so don't try it with any mask, only if it can be used that way. Now this one retails for $45. You can get it at Sephora, you can get it online, but it's definitely worth every penny. It is an excellent overnight sleeping mask. Now in addition to these masks, there are also sheet masks that you can do. Sheet masks are great because they're not messy. You can just kind of like grab and go. You can travel with them easily. And there are plenty of moisturizing sheet masks out there. I don't have any with me now, but a lot of sheet masks that contain honey tend to be extremely moisturizing for the face. And they're a lot less expensive, so you don't have to purchase something that's so pricey. You can just get it as you go. And if you know that you mask twice a week, then you can just buy 8 for the month and be done with it. So sheet masks are great, and then also you can make your own. That's always an option. You can create your own moisturizing mask. I've done that in the past and it's been really nice, and of course I've kept it in the fridge, but I've done masks where I use cinnamon and egg and honey, and it's very softening to the skin. And that's it, my loves. Those are the masks that I'm currently using for moisture. It is so essential to your skin. It's essential for anti-aging. Your skin looks more youthful and more luminous when it's hydrated and moisturized. So make sure that you're doing masks this winter to hydrate your skin. Let me know if you guys have any questions about anything, and if you don't, big kisses to you all. Mwah! And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, love, and light.